Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing. And you're going to want to watch this amazing training until the very end because I'm going to show you 5 of the best tips that are going to help you to get more free traffic. That's right, more free leads. And you're also going to want to watch this amazing training until the very end because this training is great for anyone. So if you are a newbie or if you're new to affiliate marketing, this training is going to truly help you to get more organic traffic. All right, let's begin. All right, let's begin with the 5 best tips on how to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing. But before I begin giving you the 5 best tips, right? I need to explain something very important to you regarding traffic. All right, let's begin here quickly. So let's look here. So you're going to want to focus on 3 things when it comes to getting organic traffic for affiliate marketing, right? Or for learning how to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing. You want to focus on 3 things, right? So you're going to want to focus either on video or social media or writing. All right, so you want to focus on these 3 things. Now, let me explain what I mean by focusing on video, social media, and writing. So let's begin first with video. So in order to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing, you have an option. You can create what's called a video. And what you can simply do is create a YouTube channel, or you can create what's called a TikTok account. Now, TikTok is very popular right now, and a lot of people are getting on there. So I highly recommend for you to either create a YouTube channel or a TikTok account in order to get organic traffic. Now, maybe you don't want to put your face on video. Well, then you can do this. You can go here. You can use social media. So you can maybe create an Instagram account and put up content on your Instagram account in order to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing. Also, if you like, you can also create a Facebook group. Now, let me show you what I mean by creating a Facebook group real quickly. Okay, if you look here, it says 30-day belly fat loss, right? Now, this is my Facebook group, right? So I create a Facebook group and I have a community of over 6,000 members in my community. So what you can do, if you don't want to create video, I'm creating video, you can create a Facebook group in order to get organic traffic. It's an excellent way to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing. Okay, now let's go back here, right? Let's go back to number 3. Now, if you don't want to create if you don't want to create video, if you don't want to create social media, you can focus on writing. And let me explain here, writing. So writing, you can do what's called a blog. You can create a blog, or you can write on Quora or a Medium. Now, if you don't know what Quora or Medium are, don't worry. They're simply like writing platforms. You can write like short articles or provide answers to questions people have, and then provide your affiliate links at the very end. But let me give you an example here. I have a blog, and this is my blog right here. So this is my blog right here. I'm in the weight loss niche, so you can create a blog, and a blog is an excellent way to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing, and also for you to promote your affiliate products. All right. So those are the options. So you want to focus on this one more time. You want to focus on creating you want to focus on video, social media, and writing. So you want to focus like on a YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel, or you want to create like a Facebook group in social media, or you want to create a blog, right? This is very important in order to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing. All right. Now let's move on. Let's move on to the 5 best tips, right? The 5 best tips on how to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing. Now, I want to say, if you like this information so far, make sure you leave a comment, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you post any questions you have down below. All right, let's continue. So here we go. The 5 best tips on how to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing. Okay, tip number one. Excuse me. Tip number 1. So what you want to do is you want to create content regularly. So you want to create content often. Now here, let me show you what I mean by that. So for example, if you're going to focus on video, right? If you're going to create like a YouTube channel and you want to create more, you want to get more organic traffic for affiliate marketing, well, you need to post maybe like 3 videos a week, right? That's going to help you to get more organic traffic. Also, like if let's just say you don't have a YouTube channel, maybe you have a TikTok account. Well, TikTok is very popular, but it's very important for you to post every day because there are so many short videos being posted every day, and you don't want people to forget about you quickly, because that's what people do. They forget about you quickly. Okay. Now, regarding social media, now, okay, if you start a Facebook group, right, you can post at least once a day, just something short and easy. Now, I'll give you an example here. Let's look here at my Facebook group. So this is my Facebook group here, and here I'll give you an example. This is a simple post I created. It's three weekend fat loss tips you need to try, and I just created this simple a post here for my group, and with a picture, and people like this information. They leave comments, they ask questions, they give me likes and thumbs up, and it makes it easy for me to get organic traffic. And then as people in my group start to see these posts, and as I get likes and comments, Facebook notices this, and Facebook starts to promote my Facebook group. All right, let's go back to the training. Next, if you want to focus on a blog, you need to focus on writing at least 2 blog posts a week. So for example, that's right, you need to write 2 blog posts a week, right? Writing 2 blog posts a week is an excellent way to get free organic traffic for affiliate marketing. Now let me show you what I mean. So like here, these are some blog posts that I've written here. How to lose stomach fat, how to lose belly fat in 2 weeks. So you want to write at least 2 blog posts a week. Keep that in mind. It's very important in order to help you to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing. All right, now let's continue here. Okay, now you've already learned tip number 1, right? So tip number 1 for how to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing, you create content regularly, right? Now tip number 2 is you need to create engaging content, right? You want to create content that people like, right? So you want to create content that people are going to give you a thumbs up, people are going to give you a heart. You want to create content that's going to be shocking, it's going to surprise people. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to create content that's boring, that's no good, right? That has no value. So you want to make sure your content is valuable. Now, what do I mean by create engaging content? Well, let's look here. How to create engaging content. So what you can do is whatever you're creating, right? Like if you're going to create a blog post, make sure you use pictures. Here are some examples. So in order to create engaging content, no matter what you're doing, use pictures, you make videos, tell stories, have contests and prizes, use polls and quizzes. All of these little things will make your content more interesting. Now here, let me show you what I mean. Now going back here, let's go here. Let's go here to this blog post, right? Okay, let's go here. I want to give you an example. How to lose belly fat in 2 weeks, right? So in order to make my content more engaging, I need to make sure that I make it visually appealing, right? Visually appealing, right? So what I do, I add pictures in my content, right? I actually add a lot of pictures in my content, and what this does is it makes my blog post, it makes my article a lot more interesting. So keep that in mind. So you want to add like maybe pictures if you're doing a blog, right? And you want to get more free organic, right, traffic for affiliate marketing, then make sure you do something like add more pictures to your blog post, because people really like pictures. People are visual. We are visual creatures. So keep that in mind, right? Now here's another example. I want to go back here. I want to go here, and this is just like I had mentioned before. I give tips, I give motivation, but I also use pictures so people can look at that and be inspired, right? People can look at this information and be inspired. Like this one here, 3 ways to eat less junk food at night. So it's okay if I put the tips, but what makes it helpful, see, I put the tips right here, but what also makes it helpful is that I also put pictures here. And people like pictures, right? People look at these like, wow, this information is interesting. I really like this picture. I really like the content, right? And then they're going to give me a thumbs up. They're going to give me some likes, and people are going to be willing to, watch more of my content, right? So keep that in mind. All right, let's go back to the trend. Well, here, oh, look at this one right here. This one's eye-catching, right? How to get slimmer while saving lots of money, right? Get slimmer while saving money. I mean, who doesn't want to see that? Who doesn't want to do that, right? And I put some pictures here. All right, let's go back to the training so you get the idea. So you want to create engaging content, right? So whatever you do, if you're creating videos or blog posts or Facebook, you have a Facebook group, you want to use pictures, you want to make videos, you want to tell stories, you want to just make it interesting. Okay, let's go next. Let's go now to tip number 3. Tip number 3 for how to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing. So tip number 3 is you want to be omnipresent. You want to be omnipresent. So what does it mean to be omnipresent? Omnipresent means to be everywhere. So you want to use social media, you want to be everywhere. You want to be on Facebook, you want to be on Twitter, you want to be on YouTube, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. How am I going to do this? This sounds very hard, very complicated. Well, here it's simple. Here are some examples how to be omnipresent. So for example, if you're creating videos, right, like say so for example, what you can do is this. You can make a TikTok video, right, and then post it as a YouTube short. Right now, YouTube shorts are very, very popular. Keep that in mind, right? So TikTok videos are maybe like 30 seconds long. I think maybe 1 minute. Some are 15 seconds long. Well, you can post those videos on YouTube and just post them as YouTube shorts. Next, here's another example. Social media. If you create a YouTube video, you can share it on Facebook or you can share it in your Facebook group, right? Or if you make a YouTube video, what you can do is you can include it in your blog post. Here, I'll give you an example. I haven't done this yet, but I should. I want to start doing this. So for example, this is my blog post, but what can make this more engaging and more interesting is I can now put a short YouTube video here. A short YouTube video here that talks a little bit about how to lose belly fat in 2 weeks. And people will like this. People will be like, wow, this guy has pictures, this guy has videos, this guy's got written content. I really like his information, right? So keep that in mind. So going back here, so this helps you to be more omnipresent. So try not to do extra work for yourself. Just try to use whatever content you're creating and use it on other social platforms. Just keep it simple, all right? So keep that in mind. All right, moving on. Tip number 4. So tip number 4 on how to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing. So whatever content you're creating, you want to write killer titles and killer headlines. Now, what I mean by writing killer titles and killer headlines, well, here, let me show you how to write killer titles and killer headlines. This is very important because if you have a boring headline, if you have a boring title, people will not click, people will not want to watch your content. Keep that in mind. So you can use a tool like this tool is called CoSchedule. It's a headline analyzer. Also, you can look at magazines, but I want to show you quickly what I mean. CoSchedule. So here, I've already have it here, I believe. Or here, let me show you here quickly. It's on Firefox. Okay. All right. So actually, I got it right here. Okay. So all you want to do is you want to type out CoSchedule, and here, let me show you here real quick. So let me erase this. So it's a headline studio. It's a headline analyzer. That's what it's called, the headline analyzer. Actually, if you just type out CoSchedule, it's gonna take you to the website. It's free. Just sign up, and that's basically it. And when you sign up, it's gonna be a headline. I use the headline analyzer. I believe it has other tools in it, but right now I want to show you how it works. So this is how you can write killer headlines and killer titles for your blog posts, for your YouTube videos, and for anything else you're doing in social media. So for example, I'm in a weight loss niche, right? So I'm gonna write, like, let's just say 7 tips to lose fat in 7 days, right? So 7 tips to lose fat in 7 days, and what it's going to do is it's going to give me a score, right? Okay, so I got a score of 60, and if you want to learn more about it, it gives you some detailed information about your score, about the words you're using, right? How about this? I'm going to type this: 7 best tips to easily lose fat in 7 days. So I just added 2 words: best and easily. Now check this out. I'm going to get a score. And wow, my score jumped from 60 to 83, and here it explains why I got an 83. It's telling me I'm using 10% emotion words, which is very popular, and also power words. Keep that in mind, right? And you can look down here for more information. All right, so you want to use that. Going back here, you want to use code schedule, headline analyzer. Also, you can look at magazines. You want to look at magazines. And now let me show you what I mean, right? So you can go to a website like this. It's called Magazine Line. Just type it out on Google. And what you can do is you can notice the magazine headlines. They have amazing headlines. So for example, Men's Health. I'm in the health niche, but I want to show you exactly some awesome headlines. So look here. Look at this headline right here. It says the 3 hacks to crush cramps, right? Look at this headline. 8 ways to stop sweating plus smell better, right? Look at this one. Sculpt a swimmer V, right? Build a sprinter squads, right? 24 more tips from Olympic all-stars, right? So look at these magazines for headline ideas, right? And this is going to help you to write killer titles and killer headlines for your blog posts, for your YouTube videos, and for anything else you're doing on social media. All right, and the last tip number 5, you want to do keyword research. That's right. Before you create, like, say, a blog post or even a YouTube video, you want to do keyword research. So one thing you can do is you can use something that's called Uber Suggest. Just type out Uber Suggest right here. It's owned by Neil Patel. This is really great for getting for doing keyword research. So for example, I'm in a weight loss niche, right? So maybe I can type out weight loss, right? And then what it does is it tells me how many people are searching for this every month, and it gives me more information here. Like, so it gives me other ideas for weight loss. The word weight loss. Maybe I can use keywords such as weight loss pills or weight loss calculator or weight loss surgery or weight loss meal plans, right? And it gives me a score. So you want to use this tool to get some ideas regarding keyword research. It's very, very important, right, to do keyword research in order to get more organic traffic for affiliate marketing. All right, so I want to go over this quickly again. So here are the 5 best tips one more time on how to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing. So tip number one, you want to create content regularly, right? You want to create content regularly. Tip number two is you want to create engaging content. You want to create content that is interesting, that's exciting, and that people really enjoy. Tip number 3 is you want to be omnipresent. That means you want to be everywhere. So if you have a Facebook group, start a YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel, well, maybe start a Facebook group, right? You want to leverage other social media platforms, right, in order to spread yourself around the internet world. Okay, tip number 4, you want to write killer titles and headlines for your posts, for your blog posts, for your YouTube channel headlines. Keep that in mind. And tip number 5 is do keyword research. Before you write a headline, before you write a blog post, do some keyword research. Make sure that's information that people are looking for. And if you follow these 5 tips, these 5 amazing tips, these tips will help you to easily get more organic traffic for affiliate marketing and to your affiliate offers. All right, keep that in mind. All right. Okay, I hope you enjoy this training. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to start a profitable online business from home, I want you to click the link down below, because I have an amazing free video that provides some amazing training on how to start a business in just a matter of a few days. Also, I have an amazing free report that I want to give you guys. So make sure you click the links down below in the description. Look down there, because you will have access to an amazing free report that's going to also show you how to start a profitable online business with 7 simple steps. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below, post any questions, give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.